Hello, cocodrilos. I hope you and yours are having a fabulous day. Cocodrilos, the book that I bring you today is a traveling book. Well, the book doesn't travel, but we do. We go visit the rainforest. Isn't that exciting? It is. Without further ado, cocodrilos, let's read. Let's. Do you really want to visit a rainforest? Written by Bridget Heos, illustrated by Daniele Fabbri. So you want to visit a tropical rainforest? Are you sure? True. Rainforests are full of amazing plants and animals. Some are beautiful, cute, or helpful, but others are a little scary. Plus, tropical rainforests are hot, hot, hot. Time to pack. You want to be prepared for the wet climate. You're off to the Amazon rainforest in South America. Rainforest checklist. Cool clothes, rain gear, call the doctor for the special immunization, swimsuit, life jacket, passport. Once you're there, climb aboard a riverboat. The jungle is thick with trees and plants, and there are not many roads. The Amazon River and its tributaries are the best way to travel through the rainforest. The temperature hovers in the high 80s Fahrenheit and is very humid. How about a swim with the pink river dolphins? There are dolphin species that live in fresh water. Oh, look, that one is nuzzling you. Wait a second, that's not a dolphin. It's an electric eel. Quick, back inside the boat before it zaps you. Watch the anacondas, piranhas, and stingrays. The Amazon has thousands of fish species, even more than the Atlantic Ocean. It's getting dark. That's the perfect time to explore the jungle. It's when many animals wake up. Look up, way up. The trees, which grow 100 feet tall, and the swinging vines are full of life. A sloth wakes up in a kapok tree. It eats, then it goes back to sleep. It sleeps so much that algae grows on its fur. It is camouflaged against the green leaves. A macaw dines on fruit from a palm tree. A jaguar crouches on a branch, ready to pounce. Oof, the jaguar wasn't after you. It was hunting a capybara, the world's largest rodent. They weigh about 140 pounds. Now it's raining. Well, what do you expect? This is the rainforest. It rains 250 days a year for 100 inches total. Watch your step. Oh no, you scrape your arm. Luckily, the rainforest is home to many people. They live in villages by the river, and they grow helpful plants in their medicine gardens. These matico leaf will help stop the bleeding. These satire Maori people are starting a ritual. Would you like to watch? The wooden gloves are filled with poison ants. The ants bite the older boys. It won't kill them, but it does hurt. It makes them tough. You have to be tough to survive in the rainforest, right? Well, either tough or very well camouflaged. The end. What a marvelous book about visiting the rainforest and how prepared you have to be to face its challenges in the rainforest. Thank you to the author and illustrator for creating such a masterpiece and educating us a little bit about the rainforest. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't done so, subscribe, like, share, and if you want to, leave Miss Cruz a comment. Hasta luego, cocodrilos. Hasta luego.